Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, an 8K AI-powered camera co-engineered with Leica that I had the chance to test it and bring it to this channel for you. In this video, I'll give you a first look at its unique features, compare it to the previous model, and show you guys the footage quality in daylight and low light. So let's dive in.
The design of the packaging is very nice. It's quite small and compact, so I like that. And this is the actual camera. If I compare it to the last year's model, which is the Ace Pro, the form factor, it's the same, basically. We can see the tiny little differences, like the rec button on top is not anymore like squared with the round button, but it's all round. And also the screen, the actual LCD inside looks a little bit larger, I would say. And the Ace Pro 2 has got a wind guard, I guess, to help with canceling out all of the noise generated by the wind. All right, I actually managed to unlock the wind guard. I want to show you guys what's inside here. There is some kind of foam inside that should block the wind from coming into the microphone, which will give a better audio quality. And this other one, the replacement that came inside the box, doesn't have any foam. I guess you can use this while you're riding a bike or, skiing, or you're in a windy kind of situation. The sides also look pretty similar. And then on the side, we have the slots for the SD card and an USB-C for charging the camera and connect it to your computer. And then here, we've got the battery door. It looks like that it comes with a dual battery bundle, which is always nice. Batteries, I tested them, they are backwards compatible. So if you have the Insta360 Ace Pro 1, last year's version, you can still use those batteries on this one. Here we have the instruction manuals and all of the paperwork and the magnetic mount that should go here. All right, I like that. This locks in place very easily and it looks and feels quite secure, so it shouldn't fall from the magnetic mounting. It's actually got some clips that you need to push in order to unlock it. Let's take a look at the key features of this new camera. But first, consider subscribing to the channel if this video is helping you. Now let's continue. The sensor is pretty large to allow as much light inside of the sensor as possible, so that is why it performs quite well in low light situations. It's larger than the GoPro Hero 13's Black. And also it's an 8K sensor. If you shoot at 8K and you zoom in up to 4 times, you'll still be able to have a full HD video on your screen. The Ace Pro 2 also shoots with active HDR video at 4K 60 FPS, which is very nice, especially for like very sunny days, where the sun is behind and your image should look very well lit, your face and also the background. The Ace Pro 2, it's also got a flow state stabilization and a 360 horizon lock. It will stabilize all of your footage, even in the worst situations when you're on a bike or you're running somewhere. It should look very smooth. The 360 degrees horizon lock, it's a feature that basically it locks in your frame, even if your camera it's rotating around like that. Even if you do like a 360-degree rotation, your footage will still be locked in place, which is very useful for different kind of activities. Let's turn on the camera. Just press the side button. And as usual, you need to select the language and start the camera with the app. So you need to download the app first on your phone and activate the camera. So Insta360 actually suggested to show you guys the footage difference between this new Ace Pro 2 with the GoPro 13 Black that I tested a few weeks ago. And you'll find videos in my channel if you want to pick them up. And they are very confident to state such things. So I'm gonna actually do that because I'm going out with some friends and my van. I'm spending the night out in the mountains and I want to take you with me on this little trip where I test this camera outdoors during daylight and low light and compare it with the GoPro Hero 13 Black. So you can decide for yourself and see the image quality, which one looks best. So let's go.